What if you could skip the rental car counter, walk straight to your vehicle, and drive away in minutes? Most people get this wrong, but here's why loyalty programs can save you far more than just time. Today, I'm sharing a real usage experience with Hertz Gold Plus Rewards and whether it's actually worth joining. Hertz Gold Plus Rewards is a free loyalty program that lets members earn points every time they rent a car from Hertz. Those points can be redeemed for free rental days, upgrades, and discounts. But the biggest benefit is not the points. It is the time you save. After joining, you create a profile with your driver's license, payment method, and rental preferences. The next time you book, your information is already stored. You won't believe what happens next when you arrive at the location and skip the long counter lines completely. At many airports, members can go directly to the gold area, choose a car, and leave. No paperwork, no waiting. For frequent travelers, this can save 20 to 40 minutes per rental. Points are earned on base rental charges and can be redeemed for free days starting at a low point level. Higher tiers, like 5-star and President's Circle, offer faster earning, guaranteed upgrades, and premium vehicle access. However, availability of gold benefits depends on the location. Smaller branches may still require counter service. Also, blackout dates and vehicle availability can affect redemptions. The surprising truth is that Hertz Gold Plus Rewards is less about free rentals and more about convenience. If you rent even a few times a year, it is worth joining. Travel smarter and save time. Subscribe for more honest travel program reviews.